Hello everyone, my name is Zach Fisher, and I'm just doing my presentation on artificial intelligence and running through it real quick. So yeah, what exactly is AI? So the technical definition of AI that Tomar used in 2021 is that it's just training computers in a manner to emulate human capabilities and intelligence. So it has three main goals. Wants to machine learn, it has deep learning, and then just becoming artificial intelligence in general. And the main goal that like all three of these come together is just providing support for businesses and consumers. So who exactly uses AI? So first we have various first world countries around the world just use AI. So for example, obviously like the US uses AI, Japan is one of the leading people in AI right now, along with China, and just a bunch of different countries within Europe and for example like the UK and stuff like that, they use it a ton. And then even just like over here more so if we look on a smaller scale, America, different companies use AI every day. So Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, a lot of the social media apps use them actually, just to do better ads and stuff like that. And then finally, we have like some career choices from AI. There's a data analyst, a software engineer, a research scientist, and honestly, the list goes on and on and on. And just the implications of AI are very vast. So where can AI be applied? So AI, three main areas that I like to look at are SDGs, is quality education, affordable and clean energy, and industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So it can be used with education for like monitoring students, grading and teaching, with affordable and clean energy. I mean, it's already been introduced in this area multiple ways between like autonomous vehicles and autonomous HVAC. And then finally, just, I mean, it in itself, it's a industry, it's an innovation, and it provides an infrastructure, and it's sustainable and it's constantly learning. And literally, there's so much innovation that it provides across different industries. And so why would we use AI? And like, so we'll go through like the SWOT goals or SWOT diagram. So strengths is that it's literally one of the peak innovation things at this time. And a lot of people are considering it to be just a thing of the future, really, and that's has a lot of opportunity. The weakness of it, though, is that the reliability of it is it's still hard to use. So it's relatively new to everybody, and it can be really costly, and it requires a lot of people to know a lot about it. And so again, the opportunities, vast possibilities. There's a lot of stuff you can do between forecasting, monitoring, and just pure outright innovation. And then finally, there's some threats. So for example, we have customer trust. I mean, we've all seen the robot movies where an AI takes over the world, that type of deal. And then just the unreliability of it. And like a customer trust, media portrayal kind of go hand in hand with sometimes with that type of stuff. And then finally, when. So right now we're using AI daily. I mean, it's always constantly learning. We have stuff like Alexa, Google Home, anything like that. But like for example, like mass adoption, where we see this daily and almost hourly, is like within the next couple of years for sure. I would see this. But again, some barriers we look at is just the cost, technological expertise, and the public trust. So how do we do this? So Sweden with education, it's one of the highest ranking educators within the world. And just being able to use AI in the education field would be insanely beneficial to them. And even within healthcare, it could apply support for the industry and it could identify enablers and barriers. But one of the biggest things is looking at the ethical and legal implications of AI within that area. And then finally, Sweden with autonomous vehicles, AI-driven mobility, short and long-term opportunities, and then just increasing transparency within the industry. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. So thank you for listening.